In this video, we're answering the question, how do I set up my document to improve performance? In Onshape, performance isn't driven by one setting or feature. It's influenced by how parts are modeled, how assemblies are structured, and how your data grows over time. The best practices we're covering here are some of the most impactful ways to design for performance, but document performance is a big topic with many contributing factors. For a deeper, more comprehensive look, Onshape's Learning Center offers a full course on maximizing document performance, along with articles and blog posts that explore specific workflows in more detail. From the start of a large or highly complex project, it's often best to separate major subsystems into multiple linked documents. This helps manage performance, organization, and long-term maintainability. However, if your design scope is still evolving, it's usually most convenient to begin with everything in a single document. Think of a document as a flexible container for your project's tabs. These could be part studios, assemblies, drawings, and more. As the design grows in complexity, you can easily move tabs into their own documents and link them back together. This allows fast iteration, clear design intent, and immediate updates across related geometry. When modeling this way, Onshape documents scale dynamically on the server. This means every tab in a document shares a portion of the available resources. The more tabs, the more those resources need to be split. As a general guideline, consider keeping documents under about 40 tabs. That's not a hard limit, but at this point you might start seeing slower performance and even warnings showing up in your performance panel. Now that we've established big picture document structure, let's zoom in to specific tabs starting with Part Studios. Document performance in Onshape begins at the feature level, and most features start with sketches. Your goal should be to keep sketches focused, simple, and easy to understand. Avoid unnecessary constraints and overly complex profiles. These slow regeneration and make future changes harder. One effective strategy is using a main layout sketch, often created in its own document. This sketch captures the key dimensions and relationships that drive the design and can be derived into multiple part studios, creating a single source of truth for your design intent. As you move into feature creation, it's important to be mindful of complex features that are computationally demanding. Things like large patterns, complex fillets, and heavy detail can significantly impact performance, so use them thoughtfully and only when they add real value. Your overall part studio should be focused. Model parts that require modification or manufacturing, and group related parts together. Overcrowded part studios are harder to manage and slower to update. A good rule of thumb is to keep part studios under 100 features, with no more than about 7 unique parts in each one. Fewer features and clearer intent lead to more predictable updates. Try to place foundational geometry early in the feature list. Then push cosmetic or high detail features like fillets and chamfers toward the end. This helps reduce unnecessary recomputation during everyday edits. Finally, take advantage of feature naming and folders. Organizing your feature list and clearly expressing design intent makes your workflow smoother, collaboration easier, and your model performance more predictable. Assembly structure also plays a major role in document performance. Best practices include using minimal mates, creating rigid subassemblies wherever parts don't need motion, and avoiding unnecessary flexibility in large assemblies. Fewer degrees of freedom means less work for the solver, keeping assemblies responsive as they grow. As it becomes clear to split assemblies into subassembly documents, create a version and use that version when inserting the subassembly into a higher level assembly. Using versioned references lets you keep iterating your subassemblies with branching and merging without impacting assembly performance. Because versioned data is static, it doesn't regenerate in the main assembly every time it updates. For larger assemblies, this is one of the biggest performance wins in Onshape. Great designs don't start complex, they become complex. The practices we covered here help you build a strong foundation, but document performance is shaped by many interconnected decisions over time. If you have any questions or need a hand, don't hesitate to reach out. Our education team at Onshape is always here to help.